Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the channel. You're on the Mod Garage YouTube channel. This is Ash, and I got my 3 wonderful girls with me today. Say hi.
Hi.
We're going to go pick up the cylinder heads at the machine shop. They got finished with them, and we are going to pick them up. We are just about there. What are you stopping for? Oh, okay. Well, it looks like we're here. They are in the white shop, which is his machine shop. So, here we go. No, I'm just gonna get them.
Whose house is it?
My old school teacher. Yeah. Wow, this place is amazing. Machining, blocks. This guy does incredible work. Wow. Well, here's the heads. Beautiful. You got machining oil on them. These springs. Very nice. Alright, let's carry these things out. Wow, this place is amazing. Wow, those heads are beautiful. Nice and clean. And they look brand new. New springs. My wife's sister does some baking, and we have a family gathering over the weekend, and she got them to make dinner rolls. Oh, there's a bug. So we're going to pick up the dinner rolls. They're going to be really good. Her dinner rolls are the best. So thank you to the machine shop for getting my heads done. Well, he had my heads for, oh, let me think, a couple weeks, maybe 3 or 4 weeks, something like that. And I'm ready to rock and roll. Since I have the heads, I can bolt those on, get push rods. Basically all I need before I put the engine in is a flywheel and a clutch. So once I get the flywheel and clutch here, I need engine mounting adapters to go to my 86 truck frame. I'm gonna use the original engine mounts, but I need adapter plates on the side of the block for that. That will get the engine bolted in with the transmission in there, and then things will start coming together. So I did do some painting on the under the hood, the fenders and the firewall. Got some fresh paint put on there. It looks really good. Hopefully this afternoon we can take a look at that. It is so cold outside, windy, freezing. Wow, these things are beautiful. Got my heads picked up today. Look at these beauts. Guess he did a little bead blasting or powder blasting or something, because they're nice and clean. And got the new valve springs installed. Also have, when he had them apart, he said the exhaust valves were bad. The small valves are the new ones. So all those, he got eight new valves. Did them all. The intake valves were fine. There is one thing I'm not sure about, and that is those valve springs on the heads are new from Comp Cams, and they only have 125 psi seat pressure. I'm getting a little scared that that's not going to be enough. RPMs are really nice to have. I was thinking maybe 6,200 max RPM, but hey, I'm all of a sudden getting cold feet on the valve springs. Should I have went dual valve springs or not? Comment down below what you guys think I should do. Should I keep the single valve springs from comp cams that have 125 psi seat pressure, or should I go with dual valve springs? I really want to know your opinion. All of you 5.3 turbo builders, tune in. Give me some advice in the comment section below. I'd really like to hear what you have to say. If these springs are going to be okay with 6,200 RPMs, let's say 6,000 RPMs, give or take, I think most of my running is going to be street, so I'm probably hardly ever going to hit the 6,000 range. On the reading I've been doing and the research I've been doing, peak torque on these turbo applications with the 5.3s come in about 4,000 RPMs or something. So from the 4,000 RPM to 5,000 to 6,000 and back to 3,000 is going to be a nice sweet spot for power. I can't wait to see what this thing does. It's going to be awesome. I've been doing some work on the engine bay. Got some fresh paint put on. It is looking very nice inside here. There's still a big rat's nest going on there, but it's looking good. Painted over the heater box and the fan. I did get some black paint, rust converting spray to touch up the frame down there, just, you know, kind of make it look better. I think there's a rubber flap that'll go right in here too, kind of both sides, kind of cover that up. And I might go across the front with blue yet. I'm probably gonna have to take this off to plumb in the intercooler out front here, so maybe a new grill, I'm not sure yet, but I think this is all gonna be painted blue. This sticker here might have to redo. You can't even read it anymore. And the other thing is hood insulation. I want to get that covered up so when you open the hood, it looks good. Well guys, that's going to wrap the video up for today. Hopefully you enjoyed that video. If you did like it, hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. If you are new here, we will see you in the next upload. Have a great night.